Happiness isn't just around the corner. It's in the corner. That's exactly what motorcycles like the Ninja 300 are built to prove. This bike doesn't have the face-melting acceleration to keep you entertained on a long open stretch of highway. But that's not exactly the point. The Ninja 300 is approachable. It's a much more familiar riding position than a Super Sport. Your feet reach the ground, and it doesn't feel super heavy while you're sitting still. For most people, the 300 will feel quick. It gives you the wind, the two-wheel sensation, and the feeling of freedom that you get on any motorcycle, while not going faster than you really need to. Sometimes I ponder if I'd be a better rider had I stayed on a smaller bike for longer. There's a reason many riders choose 300s for the track despite riding 600s and 1000s on the street. The same things that make it great for beginners make it an excellent platform to sharpen skills and push yourself to the limit. The Ninja 300 looks sharp. It's often mistaken for a bigger bike. Riders seeking smaller displacement are in luck with the Ninja 300 and its competitors. They can finally get the friendly bike without the dinky looks of older Ninja and CBR 250s. With great aftermarket support and tons of availability for new and used OEM parts, the Ninja 300 makes a great bike for learning to ride as well as track duty. If you want the benefits of the Ninja 300 but have a bit more of a need for speed, the 650 class of bikes would be a great place to look. If you own a Ninja 300 and have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or hit me on my socials. I will also be posting how-tos with this bike in the future here on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.